You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Excited to check out one of 4 different chocolate cocoa sets that I have this year. Thought it'd be fun to try something like this. I haven't really made hot chocolate in a while. I've done it before, but nothing like this. It is the Melting Snowman Marshmallow Hot Cocoa Set. Natural peppermint flavored candy canes. Those are your stirs. And then those marshmallow snowmen sit on top of the hot chocolate, and then they slowly melt. So I can't wait to see that. Let me turn this around. It's kind of leaning up against my back drop there. Okay, so there's all the nutritional facts for all of the 3 items. It's from Candy-rific. Let's see. Let me turn this down here so it's easier for me to handle, and it's closer than way back there. All right, so on the package, you see a snowman in the left corner. Bottom right corner is a really dark looking coffee mug or cocoa mug. And then the front of the package is this light green with little round like snowflakes going around. And then the whole front, the majority of the front is just open and you can see inside. So there are 2 cocoa packets, 2 candy canes, and 2 melting snowman marshmallows. And the marshmallows are flat. So I thought that was pretty unique. Not just a regular looking marshmallow. They're flat and round. Look at that. Okay, so each candy cane's individually wrapped. You get 2 cocoa packs, and they are taped in there. Okay, there's that and that. My 2 candy canes, and then they're like a harder, stiffer snowman, a harder, stiffer marshmallow because it looks like they have candy, like sugar, all the way around them. So they're coated with sugar. So that's going to make for some sweet hot cocoa. Here, let's just use this here. Let me take them out of the package so we can get a better look. Yeah, so they're candy coated. He's got a little orange nose, like a carrot nose, and eyes made out of coal, and his mouth is made out of little black dots. Okay, I might have to make both so that I can actually see them both melt. Alright, let's get this one out. This is the candy cane, so it's just a regular straight candy cane, no hook. So it's like a stir. Alright, so there is candy cane number 1. And candy cane number 2. Some candy canes are so hard to get out of the plastic, they're like shrunk on. These were pretty easy to get out. Okay, so there you go. And then 2 packs of milk chocolate mix. So I need to get my warmer up, but let's see. I'm guessing, well, the instructions aren't on the box, so maybe they're on the pack. Okay, hot water or milk. It says conventional preparation. Empty 1 envelope of hot cocoa mix into mug. Add 6 ounces of hot water or milk, or you can microwave. I'm just going to heat up some milk, so 6 ounces, so I need 12 ounces. Let me get the milk, my measuring cup, we'll heat it up, and we'll see how these work. Okay, so ounces, 12 ounces. Now I have some big mugs so that I can see, and they're mostly clear, they're patterned. I'll show you in just a second. So I can see the hot chocolate, see the melting. Here's the mugs I'm going to be using. Nice and big. Now, like I said, I've got a bunch of videos, 3 more actually, of just doing hot chocolate. And one of them is 4 different hot chocolate mixes. So there we go. Let's turn this up to medium. I will let this slowly heat up. Little specks in my pot, or my... had the lid on. I store it with the lid on. Okay, I'll be back after that heats up a little bit. Keep checking in, and then we'll make the 2 batches of milk chocolate hot cocoa. All right, it is creaking. This little burner is creaking, and it's already feeling like, yeah, it's starting to warm up. Got to be careful with milk, right? All right, so it's been a couple minutes. We'll check back in 4 minutes, maybe 5, and we'll see how warm it is. It's hard to see, but it is steaming. I'd have to put something black or a different color. Let me see. Maybe if I put this behind it, you can see the steaming. So it is steaming pretty good. Not boiling. Definitely not burning. Thank goodness. It's on low. It's between low and medium now. Just a slow process. And I will just keep checking back. Is this how you make it on the stovetop, or do you microwave it? Let me know. curious. All right. A few more minutes. Okay. It's really heating up nice. Now, it did say put the chocolate in first. So let's do that. There's cup one. Ooh, it's got an easy tear. Ooh, that was nice. Makes a nice little pour spout. There's two. Might as well just make them both. All right, that's actually heating up pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna move the hot plate out of here. I'll pour it into the measuring cup so it's easier. I'll know 6 ounces and 6 ounces. And then we will do our little sets. Okay, be right back. Okay, pouring it in. Got a little bit on my countertop. Turning off the hot plate, that's for sure. Okay, and then 6 ounces in each. All right, here we go. Let's get this real close. We'll get the camera right in there. 6 ounces. All right. Like I said, they were big mugs, but I needed to make sure, one, we can see them, and two, we can get these little fellas in there. So let's mix this up. Smells good. Okay, let's get you floating. Bloop. Oh, he sunk way in there, but cool, look at that. All right, while that one's doing that, we'll mix this one up. I'll place this one in there a little gentler. They're already starting to melt, the candy canes. Here we go. Ooh, that one did it too. So they have some weight to them. Let's get this in there. We want to keep that melting. All right, so I'm just going to leave that for a minute. Maybe put some music on. And then I'll put this in here. And we'll see how they melt. I'll just check back in a minute. Let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, so it's been about, I would say, 3 minutes, and the marshmallow is still solid, that sugary coating. So it's going to take a little bit longer. Let me check this one. Yeah, look at that. All right, let me let it go another minute or two. Okay, now I'm wondering, yeah, look at that. I mean, it was hot. Let me check this one out. Now, this one is soft, and all of the other coating, all the coating is off. I feel that one. So let me, ooh, sorry, it sunk down. Let me just give this one a sip, right? That's the whole idea, is supposed to enjoy it as it melts. Okay, so you'll get a very strong flavor from the candy cane. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this one Well, this one sits. I'm going to put this one in the microwave for a minute. Maybe it just wasn't hot enough. The cup is really hot, actually, so let me see what happens. Okay, that's a full minute now. He's expanded a little. Let's just see if he's still holding his shape. So I'm wondering if that's how it is. These marshmallows are, I don't know, they were pretty dry. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so I broke him. His nose just fell in the center. Okay, yeah, so he's broken up pretty good now. So that one extra minute really made a difference. Okay, I'm going to heat the other one up. We'll melt that one really nice, and then I'll come back and taste it one more time. All right, that guy puffed up. Now, that was another minute. So I read the package again. It doesn't say boiling hot water or boiling milk. It just says hot. To me, I had it really hot. Ooh, I left the candy cane. Ooh, look at that. I left the candy cane in on this one. Oh, yeah, he's melted good. Let's just mix him up like the other one. It's a lot of candy cane, I think, to keep in the actual drink, in my opinion. So I'm going to move that off to the side after I mix it a little bit more. Those marshmallows do not want to melt. That was 5-6 minutes on the hot plate and a minute in the microwave, and it's so hot you have to sip gentle. You cannot drink this. Let me try this one here. So the candy cane has melted pretty good. Probably got half a candy cane. These are not completely melting. It is a sipper. You cannot drink it and just drink it like you're drinking warm water or warm milk. It definitely is too hot to just drink. Ooh, but it's good. It's very sweet. And you get the strong candy cane flavor. Oh man, I just burnt my mouth. Oh boy, that one's super piping hot. And still not melted. So what does that tell you? It's still in there, even after all that mixing and the heat. It's good though. It's very tasty. I was just expecting that marshmallow to just kind of totally dissipate, but it did not. That's okay. That's why we try different things. That's why I try them. Again, so that is the Melting Snowman marshmallow. I think I got that. Ooh, I don't remember where I got that. Might have been Five Below. I'm not sure. There's no sticker on it. Or a grocery store called Jewel, but it was from Candy-rific. And I'm going to say overall, it was, it'd be fun to do, but I was expecting something else. But now, I could take this to this, and now I have one giant cup to finish while I work on projects and other stuff around the shop, which I've been doing all day today. All right. Thanks for watching. Ooh, hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. This is the first of 3 other. Well, I can show you. I'm going to get to probably these next. These are melting cocoa bombs. So I think the hot chocolate's in the little snowman. And then I got this Super Mario Hot Cocoa gift set. And then the last one, I think I'll save this one till the end, is this, because this is 4 different flavors on a stick. Stir spoon hot cocos, or raspberry, well, dark chocolate, peppermint, raspberry, milk chocolate caramel, and s'mores on the end. That looks pretty good. Can't wait to try those. And thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying all the videos this year. I had fun making this for you. I'm going to move on, and I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably more videos. But thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.